Welcome in this video and good morning in this beautiful morning. So today I will show you the way. What is the meaning of way? Way means by which I am driving now. You can see this is the road, but it is not good road. It is a, you can say, what you can say, comment down what we say this. And here you can see by this road I go my college daily. And today I will show you in village how people use roads and ways. Ways mean this is the way I am going on the way. Okay, here you can see people, and this is a beautiful home here. And in this place you will see how big people are who are powers in our country, in India, how they don't care about others. And it is a little river, you can see it never full of water because there is no too much water supply in this river. So I will show you. You see there in upwards there is train line. Trainway is, wait a minute. So what I'm saying, this side you see it is a new train line, new, and this is a bridge. But bridge, downside the bridge, it is very hard to go for people, for animals and any vehicle. You will see this. I will not pause the video, and it is hard to drive this bike here, so it will not it will be shaky video, but you have to see and you have understand how people face problems in village. And if they want, they have crores, millions of rupees, right, for constructing this, and it will take only few little money and it will be good, but they don't care. And people also don't say anything, and who can see? There is no unity between people, that's why they are facing all these things. So I will show you by driving how hard it is for me also. So I will put my, and I am afraid my bike, my phone will not go down. So let's go. It is very hard, I'm saying you again and again. Drive. You see what type of road we go through daily. Now sorry for that shakiness in video. But I want you to understand and look things how bad sometime in village, not sometime, many time you will see all those these type of problems in village, because people are very, you see, you can say they are very humble people in village. They are not too much clever, and they even don't clever for their own things. Like if all people be united, and they will say this for their own road, their own way, so these big constructor may do something for that bridge, but no one care, and everyone of us face the problem like this, but no one say anything. They say individually, like I'm saying I have problem, but individually you can't say anyone, and they will not listen when you say only one. You know, unity has a power, but if you are individual only one, so you have to have the power, you know, then people will understand, people will listen you. Can you see how beautiful these uh, forms are? These are paddies in paddy in where? In farms. It is 15 days back, 15 or 20 days back, it planted and it growing. It is 1st August today. So people say it is very good to live in village, but it is not good, because from village to a little city I come daily, and it take 10 to 15 kilometer away. It takes half an hour for reach this little city, and you can see people who has money, it is a poultry farm, they are earning good money. And from here the main road, very good road, is just 100 meter away. I will show you. But from my village it is 10 to 15 kilometer away, so that is why it is hard to live in village. So that's why everyone should try their best in their life for reach in good place. Here it is a road which is good, and you can see people are doing. So everyone working. It is a morning time, 9 a.m. and you can see this tractor. It is also not completely constructed, this road, but at least it is a better than that forest little road. Oh my god. So I always wanted to show things to world. It is not always good to be in village, and if village is in a place where good road facility, at least like this road, then that village is great. I would love to be there. If in future I will earn money and I will buy land around this area, in this area where this type of road will be present, then it is able to go here and there very easily by road. Okay, now I'm closing the video now because it is hard to drive. Bye bye. God bless you all.